welcome to How To with Halley. I'm your host, Halley May. Remember, you can find today's ideas and more at halleymay.com. Well, love is in the air, y'all. Oh my goodness. It's time to surprise that special someone with something really, really sweet. Pun intended. So today I'm going to show you guys a really fun idea, just some ways that you can jazz up some of that candy, and of course we're going to keep it very affordable. Let's make a basket together for that special someone. Here's what you'll need. Alright guys, so let's talk about what we're going to need for this. I did get a lot of this at the Dollar Tree. So this cool container that you can put everything in, Dollar Tree. You're going to need green tissue paper, got this at Dollar Tree, and of course some roses. I'm going to show y'all what we're going to do with these babies. I got this to put these super cool socks in. How adorable are those, right? And also I printed this out. Now you can certainly write your stuff, but I printed out, Shuggy, you knocked my socks off. How cute is that? And then I printed out some hearts. I'll show y'all what we're going to do with this. Again, if you don't want to print off the computer, you can certainly draw it. And then my sweetheart loves Coca-Cola. So I got these Coca-Cola, and they have to be in the glass bottle, okay? So, you know, everybody's got their thing. But you could certainly do this with, you know, their favorite beer or any kind of beverage. And then I got some cute ribbon. You know, I love my ribbon. I got this kind of as a joke. Because my sweetheart is super logical and he picks on me all the time for being such a dreamy, crazy person. So here you go, Shug. And then I got, of course, it's not Valentine's Day without sweets, but we're going to jazz these boxes up in some fun little ways, and I'll share that with you guys. And of course, you're going to need that hot glue gun in true How To with Halley fashion. So go ahead and drag it out and let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is decorate our Coke bottles, and you're going to just trim the bottom off right there, and then you're going to take your hot glue gun and add a good amount of glue, and we're just going to hold it on down onto the top here, and we're going to complete this for all 6 bottles. Now I've just glued my message in my little container, and then I've put my little socks in here. How cute is that? Then I just hot glued some personal messages onto the candy. How cute is this? With that matching heart. And that's easy to do. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope your special someone enjoys this gift as much as I hope my sweetheart does. I'll let you know. Be sure to connect with me on social media at Halley May to share with me how your projects are coming along, or if you've got some ideas. You say, hey Halley, I'm throwing this really cool party, or my wedding's coming up. Help me with some ideas. I would love for you guys to reach out to me and tell me what you want to see, because I love brainstorming based on what people share with me. So I look forward to hearing from y'all, and I look forward to seeing you soon.